Good morning, guys. Welcome to the another video of Varsha on Wheels. So, I am excited today. I know you would understand the reason of my excitement because I have this new attire from today, and you will see me in this attire only. So I would bifurcate all those things. The first thing, which is very important and on very high focus, is my helmet. So we purchased it, I think, 2 or 3 months back, only for starting moto vlogging, but because of some reasons I was not able to use it. But yesterday we solved the issue. So okay, let me just tell you what was the issue. So the size of helmet is big, and the my scooty's dicky, in which I am putting my helmet, is small in size. So my previous helmet was of Viga, that female one, which was small, so it easily fits in my dicky. But now the helmet is big, and it was not fitting. So yesterday we decided that we'll take that lock that usually people used to use in cycle to lock the cycle at various places. So I am using that to lock my helmet on my scooty now. So that is the first one. The second thing, which is I am wearing under my helmet, is, I don't know what Dhanraj calls it, but my brothers calls it bub. So it is of black color, and he told me that if you will wear that inside your helmet, then it would create a good look. So we purchased it yesterday, and today I also have this gloves or sleeves, hand sleeves on my hand. So it was not because Dhanraj wanted it, it is because I wanted it, cause it's too heavy sunlight here, strong sunlight. And the place from which we purchased the bulb, and he showed us this as well, and he told us that it is made from cool plastic or cold plastic something, so that if we'll wear it in the sun, it stays cold. Because what happens, as we all know from our primary school, that black color absorbs sunlight. So I was little skeptical before taking the black color, because I wanted it in skin or something like white. I know white is quite difficult to manage because it get dust is very easily visible on white gloves, but then I decided that let's go for the black, because it has that cooling plastic something technology inside that, so that it gets cooled. Right now I can't feel any difference, or I can't see any difference. I don't know whether the guy told us that cooling effect wala thing is right or wrong, but yeah, this is the thing. So all three things I have purchased it. And in my previous video I used to put my mic on my clothes, on my t-shirt, like just like a collar mic, but today I have put it inside the helmet so that it will avoid the noise of atmosphere. Guys, I'm feeling little nervous. I don't know how will I enter in my office gate, because people will see me in this, and they might feel, oh, what she is doing. Maybe it is not bad thing. It is not bad thing. It is very good. I am doing something which Dhanraj loves, though I also love it, but Dhanraj has more faith, or Dhanraj is more interested in such kind of things, and I'm very lucky. I feel very lucky that he is supporting me, he is motivating me, he is pushing me. Literally, he is pushing me, because if अगर धनराज वहाँ पे नहीं होता, तो I would have not done this. बाप रे, It's very big. It's oh. It is big jam here. Let me just find out a way. You know what happens in Mumbai, especially with Best buses. So Mumbai has their own intercity buses named as Best, BEST. So the usual length of Best buses is very much, very high, and Mumbai's roads are very what we can say, very narrow, और बहुत छोटी स्पेस होती है. So to cross that bus, to take a turn, to take a U-turn, it's difficult for buses. And I have another one thing that yesterday it was we had some free time, so Dhanraj showed me. Dhanraj is my husband, by the way. So he showed me that who are the best motor vloggers, how they do motor vlogging, and how they speak. So he was telling me everything, and then I noticed that all of them have nice vehicles, nice bikes, like motors basically. But I am the one who is doing it on scooty, because till now I can't ride a bike. I am doing it on scooter. But let it be. Oh shit. माझ्या ह्याच्यावरती एक ही गोष्ट होती, ही शपथ पडत होती. थँक्यू सो मच, मला लवकर समजलं. अँड आय टुक अ टर्न. ओ माय गॉड, इट इज डिफिकल्ट हा गाइज. यू नो, I had talk with one of my friend yesterday. She was telling how difficult life is for her. So, you know, when we listen the problems of others, then we understand that we are nowhere. Like, our problems are not that big considered to other people's problem. See here, मी पुढे जाऊ शकत होते. So there is one bus, and there is some space from where a two-wheeler can easily pass. But हे जे cab वाले भैया आहेत, he kept his vehicle in between so that two-wheeler wala can't go. Why these people do this? जानबूझ के. I'm seeing one guy is eating vada pav. It's 9 in the morning and he is eating vada pav as it's breakfast. So once you'll come in Mumbai, then you'll understand that vada pav can replace any meal of the day. It can be a breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner, or evening snack, everything. Vada pav is jaan of Mumbai. Mumbai ची jaan है बाबा vada pav. And in Mumbai, you will see फुटाफुटावरती वडापावचं दुकान, वडापावचा ठेला, गाडा. And it is affordable. You will generally get it in 18, 20, 18, 20 rupees. So that if you don't have much money, then also you can feel your stomach. How is my new look, new attire, guys. Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Oh. Why I'm seeing below again and again? Because as you know, few time back, the Pishvi, the what we can say, okay, we'll say it Pishvi right now. The bag which I have right now with me, it is following. It is falling. Following what I am saying, it is falling. Where this Charkop comes, guys, I heard Charkop station, Charkop stand so many times, but I don't know where exactly it comes. If you are from Mumbai and if you know where the Charkop is, let me know in the comment. Oh wow, this bike is of Royal Enfield. Nice, huh? Which it is Mete Sif 350. What it is? METEDR, Metedor 350. Nice, huh? I feel it is new, brand new. And this guy also have put a bulb under his helmet. Oh wow, it looks great. I know this is also looking great on me. Being a girl, no, but I can't say I'm doing something different because yesterday I saw there are so many female ये वाले मोटो ब्लॉगिंग इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स यार. किती मस्त ते गाडी चालवतात. I really like their style of speaking, style of fashion scenes and everything about them. Yeah, guys, I have some questions which are of female. Like I have curly hair, okay? I have curly hair, and what happens to me every day is every time when I see someone having colored hair, having colored hair, or anyone has done highlight, so that feeling comes in my mind that I should also do a highlight on my hair. But then my hair are like frizzy, they are dry, super frizzy, and so sometimes oh bapre, what happened? Why this guy is running his scooty very fast? Sri Gurudatta. Let's go. Yeah, guys, today I have not said that as usual I am getting late because today I woke up very early and I woke up early, I did my stuff early, and I left home early. This feels very nice, no? I in corporate now, if you will get a good office, then everything works well because while traveling, I could see some people, those who are taking their breakfast with them, parcel from outside, and they once they reach to office, they will eat it. ठीक है. So usually office stays for 8 hours or 9 hours, so half hour will go in morning breakfast, then 1 hour in the lunch, and then a half hour do time pass, chai and everything. So they actually works for 4-5 hours only, and it is the truth. So guys, it's my time to change the camera, to rotate the camera, because now I need to keep it facing the road. Now you can't see me, you will see me. No, you can't see me, you will see our roads. Whoa, whoa. I'm showing you in the how it is looking. Yeah, it is nice. It got, oh sorry, it was not fixed. Shit, what happened? Oh, now it is fixed. Yeah, it is fixed now. Okay, now let's go. Oh shit. You know guys, it is not that easy. Oh my god, see how people are looking towards me. Shit, yaar, shit. I don't like this feeling. I really like to be normal. I really like people would see me as a normal person, not as an abnormal or someone who is doing different things. Though I am doing something different, but कशा बघतायत माझ्याकडे यार. Yes. So guys, let's do some basic manifestation. I am the best. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am divine. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am divine. Everything comes to me in the perfect time. I am hot. I am rich. Girl, I'm so fine. Universe and me are aligned. Then I am beautiful. I am favorite child of my father universe. I am the favorite child. Oh my god, हा बाबा असा का करतोय? I am the favorite child of my father universe. I am the favorite child of my father universe. I am the best. I got first sales order of 1 crore rupees. Yes. I have 100k followers on Instagram. My YouTube channel got monetized. Yes. That thing makes me happy when I think that my YouTube will get monetized. And yeah, it is required guys, because I am doing all those things for earning only, not exactly for earning, because also I like it. These things are fun sometimes, and there are very much long-term benefits of doing these things. So this is that I'm just making my camera glasses or mirrors on position. How is my hand looking? Let me know. Okay, so what if someone would ask me that, hey, where are you from? You have your YouTube channel. Oh, you look nice. So something like that. अँड ते मला विचारतील की व्हॉट इज युअर चॅनल्स नेम अँड देन आय विल टेल देम ओ इट इज वर्षा ऑन व्हील्स, गो चेक इट आउट. है ना? दॅट वुड बी फन नो? हे समोरच्या जे गाडीमध्ये ठेवलंय द थिंग विच लुक्स लाईक गोगल गाय स्नेल विच इज ऑफ मल्टी कलर. Have you seen anything like that before? Because I have seen so many times, but I don't know what exactly it is. Is it snake? ओफो इसे सीने से लगाओ, ओफो या डर के भगाओ. Oh my god, let me just cross it before these vehicles would come. Yeah, I did it. Nice. Anurag Salgaonkar, no? Yes, it is. Yesterday only we saw his videos and he is best. He is what his way of speaking. He speaks very, very, very well. Very nice. What is baby and Tim? Baby and Tim. See, ये लोग मम्मा लोग. Though they are not going to school, but they have carried the school bags. So once you will become a mama, you have to do all the work. To manage home, to manage your career, to manage your baby. Yeah, guys. It's difficult, for a girl, for a woman, for a woman, it is difficult. See, a lot of money is here in Mumbai. Let me just go, guys. Oh, I did it. See. See, here is one Puma showroom. वडिलांची पुण्याई. I really like those people who give their credit to their family members. Ultimately, sometimes they have done everything for us, and family should be first priority. Your mummy, papa, your mother, father. Oh my god. Guys, how am I looking? You're looking nice, Varsha. Let's go. What I will do is once I'll finish my work of office and I will reach home, I'll just learn the basic sentences in traffic, like signal sutla, signal laglay, heavy traffic, or overtake, or such terms, so that it will get easy for me. And from yesterday night I maybe slept in different position, so my neck feels little stiff. अवघडली मान माझी. Now today I have a load of helmet and camera on my neck, but I will manage because it's me, Varsha, who manages everything nicely. Yes. see Desi Jugaad. In his Eco Maruti Suzuki Omni, it has 4 fans. प्रत्येकाला वारं गेलं पाहिजे, शेजारी बसलेल्या ड्रायव्हरला, मागच्या माणसांना, नाहीच ना. सो इफ युअर व्हेकल डज नॉट हॅव AC, then you can do this Desi Jugaad. I should have kept one stand here, no, to keep my mobile here, but it is my Sweeto. So guys, so yeah, I'm telling this for the first time to you guys that my scooty's name is Sweetie. So from the day when I took it, I decided that I'll keep one name to it, and I kept it Sweetie. So whenever we have option to choose, so like I'm just giving you an example. Suppose धनराज विचारतोय की कशावरती जायचं, बसने जायचं का स्वीटूवरती जायचं, अशा टाईपमध्ये. सो दिस इज माय स्वीटू. मला खूप छान वाटतं, मी माझ्या स्वीटू बरोबर बोलते, आणि आय हॅव व्हेरी ह्यूज रिस्पेक्ट टुवर्ड्स माय स्वीटू. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स 3 seconds, 1 second. ओ आय डिड इट. ओ शिट. येस, सिग्नल कसा काय पकडला मी शेवटच्या मोमेंटला. Oh, nice. So it's my time, guys. I have reached. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll meet tomorrow in the next video. Thank you so much.